Hi, I'm here for one simple reason, to show you the easiest way how to build a website. I promise it won't be hard, it won't take long, and the best part is your website will look professional. To make a website, you'll need a domain name and a platform or builder to create and host your site. Many of the best website builders include domain options in their plans or allow you to purchase one separately. I picked out the best options that come with both included in one subscription. First, we have Hostinger. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and comes with frequent updates and excellent AI tools that make building your website quick and easy. Next up is Wix. It's a bit more expensive than Hostinger, but its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of website types. If you're focusing on visuals, Squarespace is a great choice. Personally, I think it's the perfect solution for portfolios and creative projects. And then there's WordPress, the most popular platform, offering unmatched flexibility and customization. Just keep in mind that it comes with a steep learning curve, and you'll need to pick a hosting provider separately. For this tutorial, I've chosen Hostinger, as we're focusing on the easiest way to create a website that looks professional. You can get it at the lowest price with my discount by scanning this QR code on the screen or clicking the link in the description. You'll also find great deals for Squarespace and Wix there too. Since we're focusing on Hostinger, let's take a look at the plan options. After clicking on my discount link, you'll be able to choose a plan that fits your needs. The premium plan is a great choice for small businesses, personal websites, and startups. It offers a robust toolkit to bring your vision to life, including the ability to host up to 100 websites, free email accounts, and a drag-and-drop editor for easy customization. It's designed for both ease and efficiency. And the best part? You also get a free domain name included. The business plan is a bit more expensive, but it offers the best value overall. In addition to everything the premium plan includes, it adds a full suite of AI tools for the website builder, such as AI heat maps, AI writer, and more. I'll show you how these work later in the tutorial. This plan is called Business for a reason. It's perfect for e-commerce, offering more payment methods, 0% transaction fees, and e-commerce features that the premium plan lacks. When it comes to hosting, the business plan gives you even more resources. Finally, there's the cloud backup plan. This one gives you everything in the business plan plus more. However, the price jump is significant, so consider it only if you're certain you need those additional features. Otherwise, the first two plans should suffice, and you can always upgrade later. After choosing your plan, you'll need to select your subscription length. I recommend opting for a longer-term plan as it saves you money in the long run, including renewals. If you're unsure, Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, giving you plenty of time to make your final decision. After entering your payment details, confirming your email, and logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where the real how to make a website tutorial begins. Navigate to the websites list, click the Add Website button, and select Hostinger Website Builder. You'll then be prompted to describe your website. Choose a category and add a title. At this stage, you'll also have the option to pick a template, but I'll explain how that works later. For now, let's focus on the AI builder. Providing a detailed description allows Hostinger's AI to tailor the site to your needs, creating a website design with relevant text and images. Within moments, your new website will be ready. From there, you can select a color template and begin editing. If you're not satisfied with the initial result, don't worry. You can always try again, and it doesn't take long. And if you like what you see, just click Edit Website to open the editor. Let's rewind a bit and take a look at what happens if you choose to start building your website using a template. After you select Add Website, click on Or Use Pre-Made Templates at the bottom. This will give you access to 150 templates to choose from. If you'd like to incorporate AI into the editing process, I recommend selecting a template with a Personalize with AI tag. While there aren't many of these, they're a better option than starting with a random template using the AI creation tool. From there, the process is the same as using the AI website builder. Simply enter your brand name, provide a description, and the AI will automatically populate your chosen template with relevant content. And remember, you can repeat this process as many times as needed until you're satisfied with your starting point. Now, no matter which method you use to get to your website's starting point, the next step is editing. Hostinger's drag and drop editor makes it incredibly easy to add or modify text, images, and sections, giving you full control to position elements exactly where you want them. This intuitive setup ensures that even beginners can have a smooth design experience. Rearranging sections or adding new ones is just as straightforward. The editor includes 14 core elements covering all the essentials, from social icons and galleries to contact forms and custom code blocks, streamlining your design process without overwhelming you with options. Hostinger's section library includes essentials like terms of service, forms, and shop blocks, which covers most site needs. While I'd love more animation options and deeper styling controls, the current selection strikes a good balance between simplicity and functionality, ensuring a smooth and frustration-free site building experience. Now, since your AI-generated website might not perfectly reflect your style, let's dive into customizing it to achieve the look you want. Selecting the right colors can feel overwhelming, but Hostinger's color settings simplify the process. You'll see all the colors used in your design, along with a count of how often each one appears. This makes it easy to tweak your palette and create a cohesive look that reflects your brand. Fonts are just as important, and in the Text tab, you'll find curated font pairings to get started. For more advanced customization, the font editor lets you adjust variation, sizes, and line heights for different elements. For example, you can make your H2 headers stand out with a bold typeface, while using a more refined font for H3s. With a single click, you'll gain access to an extensive font library, offering endless possibilities to craft a unique, cohesive style. The buttons and animation tabs allow you to add those final touches. You can choose from 3 button styles to maintain a consistent look across your site, and pick from 4 animation options to add movement. A minimalistic approach often works best. Subtle animations and sleek buttons give your website a clean, modern feel. By combining these design tweaks and tools, you can easily transform your website to perfectly align with your vision. Now that we've got the style for our website, the content is likely still not exactly what you want. It's time to change that. For example, let's add an image. Simply drag the image element into place and it comes preloaded with a demo image ready for you to customize. Click Change Image to upload a photo from your computer or select from Hostinger's built-in stock image library. A real time saver since you won't have to leave the editor in search of high-quality visuals. Once your image is in place, click Edit Image to adjust the shape, opacity, and more. To add a polished touch, I'll apply a scale animation. You can also update any existing image on your site in the same way. You can do similar things with other elements like galleries or text. But next, let's look at the easiest way to fill your site with more relevant content, using AI, of course. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll find a suite of AI tools, everything from a logo maker to a blog generator and AI writer. While they're simple, they're incredibly helpful, especially if this is your first time building a website. Keep in mind, you'll need the business plan for access to these tools, which is the plan I recommend most. And yes, you can still get it with my discount from the description, regardless of when you're watching this. The latest and best deal will always be automatically applied. Now back to the AI tools. One of my favorite tools is the AI Logo Maker. It generates clean, non-copyrighted logos in seconds, potentially saving you the cost of hiring a professional designer. While a designer might add extra flair, this tool works perfectly for simpler projects where you just need a polished, ready-to-go logo. A unique addition to the toolkit is the AI Heat Map tool, which predicts the areas of your website most likely to grab attention before it even goes live. While I can't vouch for its accuracy, it could be a game changer for new sites, especially for small online stores looking to place their buy buttons in the most eye-catching spots. If you're aiming to boost social media followers, it could also help you position links in more visible areas. Another handy feature is the AI blog generator. It drafts complete blog posts based on a few keywords. While the output may not be highly original, you'll likely want to edit it to refine the text. Still, it's a great time saver, especially for creating SEO content or quickly fleshing out blog ideas. The AI page generator is another useful tool for creating new pages. Just provide a description and it will attempt to build the page for you. While it's not perfect and can struggle with very specific requests, keeping descriptions simple and focusing on keywords tends to give better results. What I like most about it is simple. Starting from a blank page can be intimidating, but this tool takes that fear away. That's not all when it comes to AI tools. Search engine optimization, SEO, often one of the most challenging and intimidating parts for beginners, is made much easier with Hostinger's AI-powered features. This is a game changer because if you want your website to rank higher in Google search results, you've gotta tackle SEO. Hostinger's AI tools handle essentials like automated meta descriptions, sitemaps, and keyword suggestions, helping you boost your site's visibility without requiring deep SEO knowledge. Setting it up is easier than you might think. Simply select the SEO AI assistant, click Generate New SEO Info, write a quick description of your website, or leave the existing one if it's mostly accurate. Choose 3 main keywords and you're done. The basics are covered. The SEO settings page even shows a preview of how your site will appear in search results, along with a progress bar that highlights areas that need improvement. At this point, you might already feel comfortable with publishing your website. To do so, simply click the Go Live button. A pop-up will appear with a link to your brand new live site and an option to tweak your domain if needed. If it's your first website on Hostinger, you'll get a free domain for the first year. Alternatively, you can skip it and use a temporary domain, handling it later. But since the domain is free for the first year, let's take advantage of it. Type in your preferred domain name and suggestions will pop up. You'll also see how much it will cost after the first year, so keep that in mind. Once you've picked the one you like, just click next. And just like that, your website is live and ready to be discovered. That's pretty much it for this Hostinger website builder tutorial. I have to say, I'm really happy with the results. It looks modern, professional, and best of all, it didn't take long at all. With Hostinger's intuitive drag and drop controls, AI-driven content creation tools, and easy to set up SEO guidance, you can easily build one too. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. And don't forget to like and subscribe while you're at it. As always, thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you again soon.